Welcome back to our channel. Don't forget to subscribe and comment down below. We have to do this part. So, sorry. But I messed up, forgot words. But today we're going to play Exploding Kittens. This is how you play. So first, you get all these cards that say Exploding Kittens. There. And put it right in front of you.
Sorry about that background noise.
Yeah, it's
our brothers.
Sorry for the inconvenience.
Yeah. And let's pause until we get all these
Okay, guys, you've finished all these exploding kittens.
Don't forget to subscribe to Abigail's.
You have 4 of them. Yeah, don't forget to whatever. And then after that, you need to.
It's a bubble.
To get all your diffuse cards, which is like here.
And I always lose.
And then your friend has to pick any diffuse card they want. Which one do you want? You should try it. Oh, look at those sparkles.
I want this one. wait.
I want this one.
Oh, I wanted that one.
I want this one. I like that one. Oh, cute! Then,
Look at that. This one is put your last. Wait. I got the fuse card via laser pointer. You can see that via laser pointer. And I'll show yours. She's the via what?
via
Catnip sandwiches.
Nom 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 nom.
This is for cuter to go with that.
It's not cute. It's fat.
It's fat like me. See, look how fat I am.
Yeah.
Like, look how fat. Look how fat I am.
You just.
Guys, don't look at that. Skip it. And I'm so fat. Like, look how fat am I? And she's so
How are
skinny.
they gonna skip it if they already saw it?
We're gonna
Yeah, true, but don't. I don't care. Okay. Four, 5. Okay. Hey!
So it can explode like
That's already like. Okay, that's right.
ours Pepsi, so we can.
Okay. I'll just put this.
I put that away and shuffle it. You have to shuffle it because I think it is like always like fair and stuff. I'm not good at shuffling. Shuffle. Ha. Look at, guys, you can look at my cards, but Tabitha, don't look at my cards. No. Okay, guys, Tabitha, close your eyes, because each of us they can look at our cards, okay? You have to close your eyes, okay? I'm gonna. Okay, I have to get closer, so. I got those, guys. Now it's your turn. Now it's your turn to show them to me. They already know mine. Closely, so I don't look.
Abigail. Abigail, I know you're looking. Just go on. Hey, I saw it. I saw you look.
I didn't look at the card. I didn't know.
Just pause it first. So guys, I put these two down. So that means I can pick a card from her pile because I have a couple of these.
Teresa, here. Teresa, here. Pick. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine! You already touched this one first. You already touched this one first.
It's okay. It's okay.
I'm angry at you.
Okay, your turn. You can do say the future. I saw it. No, it's okay. Okay, you can see three. Only three.
Can't see it. I can't.
Only three. Just only three.
I know. Okay. I'm nervous.
My turn.
It's fine. Oh, you got the fuse card.
Now your turn.
I got something to
Do you have a diffuse? Do you have a diffuse?
No, you took mine. I'm always angry at her and exploding kittens.
Okay, fine. I'll give
I
you.
really hate her butt.
Okay, I'll give you. I'll put that for you. Nice and kind enough. So this means you died. So you need a music. But then you can help.
Don't put it there. Your turn. You get to pick whatever you want. The fuse. I really hate her. I usually hate my youngest
One,
sister.
2, 3.
I usually hate her and exploding kittens. I hate my kittens. He's the youngest.
Okay, your turn.
Come on.
Bye-bye, I won. Just joking, I'll help you. I'm kind enough. Okay. Let me get a quick one. Let's just pause it first. Guys, I picked another one. This card. Wow, and look at my nails, they're so glamorous. But some nail polish. Stop. She has a dirty mind, you guys. Abigail, show your cards. No, close. Favor, active,
Attack.
I said active. Okay, your turn. Oops. No, guys. You guys know this is a prank. I pranked her.
Guys, did you do this? Comment down below.
No, I was like this. Abigail, I was like this. So gosh. And then, so guys.
Hey, but now it's your turn. I got exploded.
Comment down below if you know how I did it.
To be fair, I got
Wait,
exploded.
what?
I got exploded too. To waste your diffuse cards.
So, you're like the Russell scum.
You saw that card, you're cheating.
No way, you really got the diffuse card.
Hugo. I'm scared. Is it my turn?
So you guys, I tricked her. I put it first. I put the fuse card. Exploding kitten. The fuse card. Exploding kitten. So I picked it up first.
It's your turn.
And I already won.
I'm older. I'll tell Mom later.
It's okay. I'll tell Mom you kicked me.
I didn't kick you.
In the private part. See, you just did. She's so naughty. This is a workout. Okay, I won, guys.
Not yet.
No, I did.
Wait, what? What the heck?
What?
Did you finish all your cards?
No.
Then let's go continue.
No, you already got the
Yeah.
exploding cannon.
What is this? I'll put him again.
This is yours. This is mine. This is yours.
And this is yours.
I won, you guys. Whoa, what?
I hate this game. I just not really hate this game. I really like this game, but not too much.
Bye-bye, guys. We end the video. Sorry for the inconvenience. You don't have to look at Abigail's face.
Oh, say what?
Say what? You. Stop it. Nada. So bye-bye.